In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams chat. This can be incredibly helpful, whether you're sharing information with a colleague or need to loop someone new into an ongoing conversation. Let's dive into the steps to make this as seamless as possible for you. First, you'll want to locate the message you wish to forward. This might be something that contains important details or instructions that you need to share with another person or team. Hover your mouse over the message, or if you're using a touch interface like a tablet, simply tap on the message. You'll notice a set of options appear next to the message. These are your more options, typically represented by 3 dots. A small but powerful menu in Microsoft Teams that houses several functions. Click on these 3 dots to explore the more options available to you. Within this drop-down menu, you'll find a variety of features, but today our focus is on the forward option. Click on forward. This action initiates the forwarding process, creating a new message draft that includes the original message content you've selected to forward. Now that you have your message ready to forward, the next step involves choosing who will receive this message. In the recipient field, which might appear as a search bar, begin typing the name of the person, group, or channel you're intending to share this message with. Microsoft Teams has a robust search and autofill function that will help you by suggesting likely contacts or groups based on your typing. This makes it easier and faster to find the recipient. You also have the option to add your own message. This is your opportunity to provide context or an explanation for forwarding this particular message. Perhaps specify why you think this information is important or how you suggest the recipient might handle it. Although it's optional, adding a message can clarify the purpose of your communication and engage your recipients more effectively. Once you've filled in the recipient details and optionally added your own message, all that's left to do is click forward. This action sends the message to your chosen recipient and any additional information you've included. It's as easy as that. Using Microsoft Teams' forwarding feature effectively can enhance your communication, ensuring everyone who needs the information gets it promptly. Keep in mind this feature next time you need to share information quickly within your team or across different teams within your organization. I hope this guide makes forwarding messages in Microsoft Teams chat straightforward and efficient for you. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of Microsoft Teams. Happy messaging!